suck sober thoughts, yeah. And is it me that you want, me that you want? Guess me.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Mila Simone here. I am back and I will be completing the James Charles series. Today will be a 2-in-1 makeup look. So basically I'll be doing 2 looks in the same video using the same palette. And yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing today, girls. So let's go ahead and hop into this first makeup look. By the way, today we will be doing a rainbow cut crease because I literally have been wanting to do this look for the longest. To prime our eyes, we're going to be using the P. Louise base, and this one is in the shade Rumor Number 2. Yeah, it's pretty light, but we are going to make it work. How? I have no idea. I'm just going to pat this base onto my lids using a Morphe S4 brush. This is like a flat concealer brush. Alright you guys, so because this is like not my shade, I don't want it to look white up here. So what I'm going to do is just take a little bit of my Fenty Beauty concealer, and then I'm trying to find like a small buffer brush or something. And I'm just going to take some on the brush and just blend out the top of this underneath my eyebrow bone just so it won't look so harsh. So the first color I am going to take is Escape, and it's this deep purple shade right here. I'm just going to pack this onto my lids from the outer corner. So the next color I'm going to take is this shade right here called Single. I'm going to blend out this dark shade. So the next shade I'm going to take is this shade right here called Rusted. I'm going to take this orange shade and blend it a little bit right here. I think I want to stop here. The crease is fairly soft and that's kind of the look I'm going for. I don't want to be too dramatic with the rainbow eyes and the dramatic crease. If I need to add in a little bit more, I will, but I think this is pretty much perfect. I am going to deepen up the crease just a little bit right here. For the most part, this is it. This is all we're going to be doing. Now we are going to cut the crease. I'm going back in with the P. Louise Base Pro, and like I said, this is in the shade Rumor Number 2. For a flat brush to cut the crease, I'm using the MAC 228S brush. And now I'm going to be super duper quiet because I don't want to screw this up. Here we go. Guys, let's start this rainbow look. This is what the cut crease looking like. She's looking real cute. Go ahead, give her props. Credit when credit is due. I literally hate reading these shade names because it's so hard. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This shade is called 518. Can y'all even see this shade right here? And that is the first color I'm going to go in my inner corner with. Taking another flat brush, I'm going to go in with this yellow shade right here called B. The next shade I'm going to take is this green shade right here called Social Blade. Using this shade right here called Brother. I'm going back in with that flat brush that had the purple on it, the deep purple called Escape, and I'm packing that as the last color on the outer part. This is what it's looking like. I'm going to clean up this fallout and then I'm going to do the other eye off camera. My camera cut off for some odd reason and I had no clue that it wasn't recording. But basically all I did in the last clip, I added some eyeliner and then I added some false lashes. And I did my foundation off camera, of course, to save time so that we can also do the second look in this video without the video being like dumb long. This is the completed rainbow look. I hope you guys enjoyed this look right here. Super duper pretty, super duper colorful, yet still super duper soft. And for the lips, I just paired a Buxom lip gloss in the shade Mauve Collins. This is a part of their pastel lip gloss collection, and then I also use the NYX Suede lip liner, and this is in the shade Club Hopper. I'm getting like colorful spring / summer vibes, and I am super duper excited that I was able to share me creating this look with you all. I hope you guys enjoyed this look, and stay tuned if you want to see look number 2. Alright you guys, so I am back with a fresh face. We did look number 1, which was the rainbow cut crease. Really fun, really cute. Let me know what you guys thought of that look. We're going to go ahead and jump into look number 2. I think I want to do teal. I really get inspired off of like the colors of my clothes. So like if I'm wearing a red shirt, I may do like a red eyeshadow look. Or if I'm wearing a pink shirt, I may do like a pink eyeshadow look. Normally I just match my eyeshadow to my clothes. So just like we did yesterday, I'm gonna go ahead and prime my eyes again using the P. Louise base in the shade number 2. Today I'm just gonna drag that base a little bit outwards because we're gonna be making like a winged cut crease. I'm taking my buffer brush, the same one I used yesterday, and I am applying some of my Fenty Beauty concealer in the shade 385. Smudging that right underneath my brow bone so that we won't have like a white line under our eyebrows. So the first color I'm going to pick up is this shade right here called Playground. This time I'm going all the way into the crease, all the way around. I think I'm going to take this color right here called Punch Me. It's like a nice nude color. I'm just going to blend that blue shade out using this. I'm going to take a clean flat brush, and the next shade I'm going to go in with is this shade right here called Cola. I'm going to pack that right here in the lower part of the eye, just to deepen up that crease a little bit. And I'm just gonna cut the crease and drag it out. I'm going to pick up the shade Hello, which is this shade right here, and I'm just going to place this shade on the lid. Taking a makeup wipe, and I'm just literally going to clean up these lines. For a little bit of flavor, I'm going to use a Stila topper. Now you don't have to, this is completely optional. You can definitely leave it like this, pop on some eyeliner or no eyeliner at all. I know this is a video strictly dedicated to the James Charles palette. But like I said, you can leave it like this if you want to, but I am just going to add a little bit of pop to the eye because, I don't know, it just feels kind of incomplete. I am going in with the Stila Little White Lies liquid eyeshadow. This is in the shade Pink Wink Wink. I am going to just line like the thinnest wing, just going all the way down to this part right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Alright guys, so far so good. This is what it looks like with the eyeliner. I'm going to go ahead and complete the rest of my face off camera and I will be back with the final look. This is the final look. For the lips, I used the ABH. I believe this was like a holiday series lip gloss. It is in the shade Diamond. Let me know what you guys think about these two looks. Let me know which one is your favorite down below in the comment section. Also, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a huge thumbs up and subscribe, girl, so that you do not miss another video. Oh, honey, okay? Make sure you turn on that post notification bell so that you are always notified whenever I upload new content. And I love you guys so much. Thank you for every single one of my 1,016 subscribers. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.